Brush-type self-cleaning filter is a device that uses a filter screen to directly intercept impurities in the water to purify the water and protect the normal operation of other equipment in the system. The filter is composed of main components such as driving mechanism, control pipeline, main pipe assembly, filter element assembly, cleaning mechanism, connecting flange, and so on. The water to be treated enters the body from the water inlet, and the impurities in the water are deposited on the stainless steel wedge-shaped mesh, thereby generating a pressure difference. The pressure difference between the inlet and outlet is monitored by the differential pressure switch. When the pressure difference reaches the set value, the electronic controller sends a signal to the control valve and the drive motor, and the motor drives the brush to rotate to clean the filter element. At the same time, the control valve is opened to discharge sewage. It only lasts for dozens of seconds. When the cleaning is over, brush-type self-cleaning filter is a device stops rotating. The automatic self-cleaning filter has a simple design structure, automatic cleaning and continuous flow, low operating cost, and can monitor the working status of the filter in real time. It has a high degree of automation and is widely used in metallurgy, electric power, chemical industry, agricultural electronics, textile, manufacturing, and other industries.